China has stepped up quarantine efforts to contain the Wuhan coronavirus. Travel restrictions have been imposed on more than a dozen cities on the mainland, affecting around 40 million people. The death toll has climbed to 26, with new cases reported in South Korea, Vietnam and Japan. Singapore also reported 2 new cases.
Here's the global situation as it stands. More than 800 confirmed cases and 26 deaths in mainland China.
To unleash the full power of the federal government in this effort today, I am officially declaring a national emergency. 2 very big words.
Today, Italy has passed a deadly milestone. More people dead from the virus in Italy, 3,405, than in China, a much larger country where the disease originated late last year. Italy now accounting for more than a third of the deaths from COVID-19 worldwide.
In a country in lockdown, the dead are buried without relatives to mourn them. In a cemetery in Barcelona, just a solitary priest is present to pay last respects. A fate awaiting hundreds as the death toll continues to climb across Spain. In the capital of the country, hospitals are reaching full capacity. Here the halls and waiting rooms are packed, standing room only, as they wait for someone to treat them. In another Madrid hospital, patients lie on the floor because there are no beds left.
Agony in Europe tonight as Italy's death toll passes 10,000. A day after another morbid milestone, 919 dead on Friday, the most in one day in any country. Global cases rising above 650,000, with more than 30,000 dead. Health workers infected here at an alarming rate. More than 9,000 contracting the virus. Soldiers today disinfecting hospitals, train stations, and flying a drone to disinfect the streets. A national lockdown extended to April 11.
We're at war with a deadly virus. Success in this fight will require the full, absolute measure of our collective strength, love, and devotion. Very important. I want every American to be prepared for the hard days that lie ahead. We're going to go through a very tough 2 weeks. And then hopefully, as the experts are predicting, as I think a lot of us are predicting after having studied it so hard, we're going to start seeing some real light at the end of the tunnel. But this is going to be a very painful, very painful 2 weeks.
It's another record day in our country. Just today, more than 25,000 new cases, approaching 1,000 new deaths in the space of one day. And so tonight, the United States now has over 211,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus, over 4,700 deaths. Also, as of today, more than 280 million Americans are living under some form of stay-at-home order, since we have no idea how many people have the virus itself.